Powstro laser pointer is one of the cheapest available out there. The price is around $4 and you can buy it from online shop. Just type on Google buy Powstro pointer. Actually, there are another wireless presenter that even cheaper than this one, but I decided to buy this Powstro pointer because I think it has better build quality. When the product arrives, I didn't get the box or packaging. They send it inside the bubble wrap. We only get the wireless presenters and manual paper. This wireless pointer uses one AAA battery and next to it is a place to put the USB receiver. Let's put the battery then connect it to the computer. On the USB receiver there is a blue LED light. If the lamp blinks, that means it hasn't been connected to the pointer. This is because I haven't turned on the pointer. Let's turn it on. As you can see, the lights that blinked immediately change to always turn blue. If it still keeps flashing even after you turn on the pointer, you need to press the connect button in the back. But if it's already connected, you don't have to push this button. This pointer function is to control PowerPoint application. The button below is to escape or resume. The right and left buttons are for the next or previous slide. The top button is to make screen black. If you want to turn on the screen again, press the resume button. And the big round button in the middle is to turn on the red laser pointer. In the product specification, the controller's operational distance is up to 10 meters and I tested it and it is true. Even when I try to operate in different floor, it is still connected. It is on new battery anyway. For the build quality, this product is fairly good. It is not as good as more expensive pointer, but it's not bad either. In conclusion, I'm recommend this pointer. The reason is the price is cheap and the operating distance is quite good. For the record, this review is still missing 2 points. First, the durability test, and second, the battery life. It will take time to give information about this matter, so I will update it on this video description in the future. A little note about durability, I once used a pointer that is more expensive than this Powstro. After I used it for a while, it turned out that the laser was damaged and unfortunately the warranty period had passed. My point is, expensive pointers can also be damaged. Now, I prefer to buy 2 or 3 cheap pointers instead of one expensive pointer. This video is not sponsored by any party and I buy this pointer with my own money. I hope this video useful for someone. Consider to subscribe so you can find this channel again in case you need it again someday. Thank you very much for watching.